Hello, how's it going? No one's here yet, but they will be soon, hopefully, but maybe not. So, where we left off, we textured uh, ma- and made the mountain for the backdrop. Uh, Pretty sure it doesn't act. Ooh, hold on. I might need to mess with that a bit more later because I don't know if the snow's supposed to be like that. I think it is. No, yeah, it is because the small texturing and all that. Yeah, that's right. But anyways, that's very laggy, so generally keep it here. Then we also started working on the smooth version of the Leviathan. So let's just hide this for now so we can go into this view, because why not? So, getting to where you want it to be is always somewhat difficult, isn't it? Alright, so this is what we got so far. And something I've thought of in the last, uh, since the last stream, is about the mouth. Only kind of got it right, so I did think of something that was wrong. This is flat. This is all flat here. We need to create some kind of interior. So I haven't really thought of how I would do it though. So let's see here. Alright, guys, we can start. Let's start by hiding this so we can really see the whole mouth. So let's start by just kind of doing some stuff like this and seeing kind of just seeing what happens here. Missed something there. Alright, so let's start by seeing what happens here. Oop, forgot one. Nope, wrong thing, wrong thing. So here I'm just kind of pressing F once I select all of them to create a new face. So what did that do? Gonna be honest, that does not look good. So I'm gonna undo all that with Control Z. Okay, let's try something else maybe. Let's try Shift D there. Then so now we're selecting only one of them. So do, for example, this. There's two now. So now, if we select kind of the middle ones, yeah, something along those lines, I think. That, yeah. All right, let's go with that, and then just kind of bring it up a bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. That looks about right. Then if we join those, and pretty sure there's something else we should do here to make it not like clip like that. Maybe a Boolean thing? I don't know. Let's just see if that works. Oh right, also chat. I don't have chat up right now. Let me fix that. And I've also zoomed in, it appears. So let's fix that as well. About there for there, and then that right? Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. Back to here. Alright. So, how do we join these? Union, maybe, or that object and this, and I selected that at the wrong time. Want the jaw 0, 0, nope, wrong one. Oh right, it's all one object now. So that won't work. So solidify. Oh wait, that's what we should have just used from the start, maybe. Or maybe not. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, actually, real quick. let me see if I can re-separate this again. Let me see here. How do I do this then? Like if I do this, what do I all get here? Alright, that's almost correct actually, so that's rather surprising. So we do want that one, I think. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so let's just move that with that along the x-axis one, so that we can put it back if we need to. But for now, and also separate it. And then let's see what happens with the solidify. So that way, oh, hold on, let's turn the head back on to see how it looks. That's okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing there. Yeah, that looks about right, I think. Real quick, if we just like don't see, yeah, so already that's actually a lot better. So yeah, I think we can just delete that because that works a lot better than that. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's better than how it was before. I feel like something's off of it now, though. There, that verse right there, I feel like is going too far out. So that would be those two. Yeah, alright. So then we SX. Yeah, I think that looks better. So over here, the jaw kind of goes up like this, around it. So maybe we should kind of do something like this. Well, let's select everything. Unhide the head. SX out for those ones. Bandits. Hold on. Something happened there. It kind of just deselected that. Oh wait, I might not have been holding shift. Just select all of them at once. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, there we go. That works better. So then we SX. Yeah, that kind of makes it look rocky again. So maybe if we move those ones down, that might help. Maybe not down, maybe just along. Oh, right. I would do a mirror thing with the mirror modifier, but it doesn't really split evenly down the center. I could make it split evenly down the center with this though. Grab that one, then that one, and it's evenly split down the center. Then I could delete everything on one side and make it mirror. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And X for faces. Yeah. Then we give it the mirror modifier. Oh, that's interesting effect. Alright, there's something we need to do here. Flipping. No. We need to increase the merge distance then. Oh, that's an interesting effect. So, Something here's off. Oh, wait, what did that do? Hold on. Okay, so that's not right, I don't think. It would appear that that will not work. So let's see if we can control Z far enough back. Dang it. Alright, that actually might cause some problems. Because now if we do this, Shift D, then Mesh Mirror X, Mesh Mirror X Local, alright, doesn't matter, it does the same thing apparently. Then, thing is, now if we combine those, it's going to actually be slightly different, and the subdivision surface will work differently, I think. And we want those to merge at that one. So merge at first. Yeah, see, then it starts doing weird stuff like that. Dang it. We might have just broken this. Dang it. Dang it. No, wait, that was the wrong thing. Let's keep trying the mirror, I guess. Let me see here. We want on the x-axis. What if we stick the mirror object to the head? Nope, that made it worse. Yeah, so something's definitely off here. Dang it. If we shade it flat real quick, we might just be able to fix that. So now if we go here... Oh, wait, what? What is this? We're going to still delete that. Weird. Not sure what that was for. But then we just kind of move this one forward. Then all of those three kind of back. We just kind of get this to be correct. Making sure that everything has only one. Alright, let's see what happens if we give it those subdivisions. Or oh wait, it still has it? What? Alright, I turned. Alright, so let's see what it looks like then. Alright, cool, it looks like it's working. Okay, good thing's good, we fixed it. Right, yeah, we're just trying to mess with that jaw thing. I think that was just a bad idea to begin with, maybe. So let's just SX that again. Back to how it was previously. Or at least try to. Alright, something buggy's happening here. And, hold on, what the heck happened here? I think there's supposed to be a face there. Maybe the cause of the bug. Turn the head back on. Okay, no, that made it worse actually. Let's see, maybe we move that in a bit. Yeah, no. So something's off here. I think this is supposed to be more over there, and then that's not actually supposed to exist. How's that look? There's still that bump there, and I can't figure out what's causing that. Doesn't look too bad, I don't think. And also to note, this will probably be seen from pretty far away as well, so it probably won't be too noticeable. You know, I'm gonna say this is something I'm gonna worry about when I start texturing it. Also, alright, just thought of something. Anyways, so we completed the tail thing, pretty much. So next, I say we work on the fins. So let's grab in our icosphere, because those are much better than the UV spheres, apparently. Let's model it here. I'll have to straighten one of these out to really see the proportions right, I think. Probably a good idea to straighten it out first. Nah, let's just go for it. I'll just reset the rotation afterwards, I think. So then we go into here to rotate it, or to scale it now. So yeah, something about there. Make it flatter. Maybe not that flat. Well, maybe yes, that flat. Somewhere around there looks good. And hold on, if I do Y. Okay, so that's, yeah, let's just do this then. So for the big one, let's say about that. Alright, now let's bring it over to there. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And it's kind of in an area like that, so probably gonna want to put it somewhere like there. There, that looks good. Maybe. Still feel like it kind of needs to go into the body more so it works properly. There, that looks good, I think. Alright, now let's reset the rotation. Actually, let's start by resetting the thingy. Cursor to selected, and then we want to put set origin to 3D cursor. There we go, so now I'll rotate around there. So now if we set it to 0 rotation, there we go. Yeah, that's much better. Alright. Actually, let's start parenting stuff, I think. So just parent object, just to make it simpler to around for now. Deep. I just realized I actually never changed the stream title from last stream. I mean, it's technically still the same thing, so it should be about fine, I think. Yeah, alright, we're fine. I'm basically doing the same thing as last stream, so doesn't really matter if the title's exactly the same. And then we turn that to the head. And we turn that to that. Let's also shade that smooth. Alright, so now that's actually slightly smaller, so that's going to be a different shape. That's the same size. And those are all the same size. Those are all the same size, and those two are the same size. Alright, so I think for these, all these tentacles here, we're just gonna use a mirror modifier. And then I think I can have it mirror across the body. And I think that looks right. Yeah, that's right. That looks right. So then, yeah, all right, that works good. That works good. Then let's not apply that, so that it can kind of do so. We'll apply it later, I think. But for now, right? Yeah. So those parts are actually going to be connected to the upper parts here. Same way those parts are, all the body parts are connected here. So we're going to have to edit this, probably in the same way we edited the other one. So we just take those faces. Oh, I don't have face selected. Those faces. Inset the faces with I. Then E to extrude. Yeah, that looks about right. So then let's go to this view. Right, subdivision surface. So let's make it a bit thicker, I think. So that'd be scale along the z-axis, I think. Hold on, I think I know what might be going wrong here. So this isn't very flat, so I think we need to flatten it a bit. So we can do that with, I think this is probably gonna work best. Let's see. Maybe not. Let's go back to smooth. Yeah, that works better. Okay, so we've got that. Then let's actually go there and just scale along the x-axis a bit more. Make it a bit longer again. Then we go here. Alright, so now not input. I have forgotten the word. Now we do that and then extrude it. Inset faces, that's it. So now we're going to want that to be approximately that length. So let's just move it along the x-axis a little bit more. Alright, yeah, you see there? That's why I wanted to parent stuff, so I can just kind of move the whole thing over there. Alright, cool. So now we have the subdivision surface modifier, I think. I think it looks better, but not quite right. What are we missing? What are we missing? Definitely needs to be thicker. Oh, we're insetting it too much. That's what's going on here. So let's just get it back to there. Let's just move everything a bit this way again. Oh, we're in edit mode. That explains it. Alright, so let's try that again. So here, edit mode. Then we grab those faces. And then we inset it, but not as much. And then we extrude. Subdivision surface, once again. Yeah, I think that's looking better. So then we just kind of scale it down a bit. It'll make for a more constant edge there. And then, right, yeah, we're also gonna have to like move those out a bit. So let's go ahead and just do that now. Doop, doop, doop. So then we just move those along the x-axis here without that. That should make it more smooth. Yeah, that's a lot better. Alright, cool. So now let's grab all of these again. make this section here approximately the same length as that. So just do that by GX. That's about right, I think. So how does that look? I feel like it looks not quite flat enough. I think I need to scale this along the Y-axis a bit. Maybe the Z as well. Actually, I'm gonna have to do Control plus, because those are in the same place. If we want to scale along the Z axis, we are gonna want to do that. So how does that look? I feel like, alright, I think I have an idea. So this seems a bit too spherical here, maybe. Let me just think for a second. Here we need to make this less rounded, but we need to make this more rounded. I think we should probably try to make this more rounded, I think. So if we just kind of do a Control R, then scale to a bit more, and then we only select the middle ones. Let's just see what goes. Okay, so yeah, that's not what we want. So let's just select all those middle ones there. Then if we grab this, oh wait, those weren't the middle ones, oops. We want these ones, I think. Hello, please let me grab those. Oh, I'm really controlled, that's why. So let me check that that is the center. We got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right, okay. So then we use this. We want sphere, I think. And then I think we do that, something like that. Again, look at what we're doing here on that side. I think that looks pretty good. I think it looks slightly better, but not quite right. Maybe we only need a little bit, or maybe we need more. Let's see here. So we got something like that, which is definitely not. Oh, I did not expect that. I probably should have though. That lines up. But that looks like it has laser arms now. Is it just me, or does these look like laser arms? Anyways, I think something like this probably would look good there. Let me see what the textures here for this look like. I want to see if I can just like do a quick rough map of these textures onto there first. Where? Here we go. Okay, so it is a image thing. Where is this? Packed file. Okay, so that would explain it. So it would appear to just be material 1. Alright, so what if we just like give this material 1? What happens? Yeah, alright, so that makes sense. That's very incorrect. But I think we can just do a rough thing real quick here. Yeah, that's very wrong, but it's interesting how it made it invisible in some places. Anyways, UV map, we're going to need to go over here. Just hit A here. Okay. Let's see, so this... I don't know what any of this lines up with. Very point there. So that area there is there. That area is... Alright, so that area, that circular thing there, that's the very end there. Okay. Yeah, this isn't gonna work very well. I'm gonna have to spend more time on that later. You know what, just for colors, it's something. Oh god, that's even worse than the body. Okay. I'm not sure why I'm still doing this. I probably shouldn't be doing this still, but whatever. I'm just gonna go into UV here and get everything off of the red. Just kind of move it to, turn that off. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Let's see what that did. Alright, I mean, it gives the right color palette at least. Definitely not permanent. But it gives the right color palette. So, I don't know, that doesn't quite look right. Yeah, I'm just gonna not do that, I think. Nope, I'll do that. And keep it like that for now. Gonna have to use your imaginations. Alright, let's see. What will this look like? So, you know what? I think that looks pretty good. I might change my mind later, but for now, I'm gonna say that looks pretty good. So then, I think we can actually just duplicate that and then make it smaller for the next one. It's pretty much the same thickness actually, so we just need to make it shorter, so that means we can scale on the x-axis. Let's actually bring it over here so we can measure it up. So we can use the x here to scale along their still, local x. So we can scale along the local x. I don't actually know if that's what it's called, but I'm calling it that. So let's just get rid of all rotation now again. Bring it back to here, which is about there, I think. Does that look about right? Yeah. Oh, it did a weird indent in the bottom. I'm not sure if that makes it look better or worse, that indent in the bottom. Well, I wonder if that's in the top too, but we just can't see it because of the light. Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure there's also a patch for that. What did that do? Why did that do that? You know what, whatever. Okay, and that is now inverted. Weird. Oh wait, no it's not. Alright, I was confused apparently. Something confusing happened apparently. Interesting. That's real quick. I'm just gonna check something real quick. Alright, so... Right, yes, so all I was gonna do is rotate this whole thing along the y-axis to see... Yeah, okay, so that's actually even more so on the top, it looks like. So what would be causing that? Oh, right, that would be over there. Okay, so that's definitely just that vertex on both sides that's doing that, so just do quick SZ there should fix that. Yeah, so that's not quite right, but something like that should be doing it. Oh, this is also scale. Alright, so this scaled as well, but the other side didn't. Real quick, did that fix the bottom? Yeah, okay, so that mostly fixed the bottom, but not quite as much the top, apparently. Or something. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what I'm talking about, by the way, so ignore what I'm saying, but this looks like it's probably not correct. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the same things over here. Let's just flip this over again. Alright, so let's do the same things here. Grab that and that. Nope, not that. That. SZ. Oh yeah, that fixed it really well on that one actually. Not quite as well on that one though. Weird. Okay, so yeah, something here happened with the scaling for that kind of messed it up somehow. It's just gonna manually make these a bit better. Make sure it's all even. Then on the bottom, I want to say that. Oh, here we go. This is something's here that's also doing this. So we want to just kind of move that down, I think. Not that. Yeah, alright, so now it's still technically there, but to a lesser degree, I believe. Let's look at this one, because they're mirrored. Okay, so right there. Yes, something happened with something here that made it do that more. So let's just do that. Why is it still doing it? How's that look? What happens if we just kind of move this up or down? Does that fix it? It's hard to tell immediately after doing it. You just kind of like gotta move it around, look at it. I want to say that looks better, and I think it does. Alright, so next step is the back arms, or what are those? Fins. That's what I call them. Fins. Actually, I should probably be making sure I name these. Front fin. Hold on. So let's call that front fin, because it's the front fin in the front part of the body. And we'll call that back front fin. Alright, there we go. So now, should be actually much simpler to follow the other ones because they're only one segment. So let's put that there and then grab an icosphere. Then SX to about there, I want to say. Let's see. Let's go ahead and hide this segment real quick. Maybe a bit less. There. Alright, that's about what we want. So then, a bit more flat. And not quite as wide either, I don't think. We're going to want to use that one there. Then, to compensate for it being round, let's also go a bit more on like that for the X as well, a bit longer. Unrotate. Alright, so there's two of these in the second portion. Let's go ahead and just place it in. Yeah, they're about the same level as the other fins, so let's go ahead and put that about there. Looks about right. Shade it smooth. And yeah, that looks about right, I think. Let's just move it in a bit more, I think. And that should be good. There. Parent it to that. Object. That is the middle front fin. Was it 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, so it's the front of the middle, mid-front front skin, or fin. Why did I say skin? Fin. Jeez. Anyways, we want the. We actually don't need the subdivision surface. Nope, never mind. It does make it a lot rounder, actually. So let's also grab the mirror. Then there we go. So then we have two of those. exactly the same sizes, just at different points along the body. Oop. There we go. Maybe a bit more on the line bit, or not. See why? About there is probably good. All right, then those ones are basically just smaller versions of this. So we can just kind of yoink that, bring it down a bit more in because it's thinner. Then just scale the whole thing. Oh wait. Just realized all of these have very incorrect fiddles, so let's go ahead and hide the body so we can fix that. Doop doop doop. Cursor to selected. And set origin to 3D cursor. Then just do the same thing for the rest of them. And that will allow us to scale it without messing up where it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and unhide the body again, and just scale it down to about that, I want to say. Yeah, and then we just have 3 of those. It looks like the positioning's about correct. Maybe a bit thinner. Yeah. Then we just duplicate that 3 times. Okay, so something that I think has happened is they end up looking bigger as we go down, because it's still getting thinner as we go down, therefore it's showing more of it. So, as we go down, we need to move it along the x-axis inwards a bit more, so that it looks more accurate. Alright, there we go. Then those 2, again, pretty much the same thing. We can just kind of copy-paste. Then we have those at the very end. And those ones aren't actually fins. Those are more just tail. I want to say barbs, but they're not sharp. So I don't know what to call those, actually, but they exist. And they're more just part of it rather than a fin, which is like an actual thing. These are more just attached to the body. Kind of the same way like a tail fin type thing that would like some kind of lobster or similar thing would have. Why am I recording this? Hold on, OBS. Why are you Why have you been recording for the past 17 minutes? No, stop. Stop recording. Why? Why are you doing that? Ooh. Bad OBS. Alright, anyways, so that... Alright, so we want to move that down a bit so that it's more centered there. About there? Yeah. So then we just... I believe those should be parented. Hold on, are these all parented? They are, okay. So I probably didn't need that, but whatever. So let's... Oh, those are all... Yeah, we gotta rename all this now. So, these are... tail fin. And then whenever we apply the mirror modifier, if we do apply it, we probably will. But whenever we stop that, these will be separated into 2 different objects. No, wait, these will be the same object. We will have to separate them at some point, I believe. Anyways, this is mid-back, back, fin. Alright, so I have to go. So, goodbye. We will work on this next stream once again. File, save, should just be good. Alright, cool. I think that was pretty good progress. We got the main shape of pretty much the entire Leviathan done, except for the tentacles. We'll work on that next. Then after that, we'll start working on texturing it. Which, honestly, that's the part I'm most afraid of, but whatever, we're gonna have to do it. So, good day, game.